In today's video, I'll teach you how to pin groups on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you pin the groups on Facebook, it will appear at the top of your shortcut list for easy access. You can pin up to 10 groups to keep your favorites handy. So if you want to do that, what you have to do is tap on the menu icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option groups that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your groups over here. What you have to do is simply see all the groups. What you have to do is find the group that you would like to pin and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option pin group that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular group will be pinned and it will appear at the top. So like this, you'll be able to pin the groups. So that is how you pin groups on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.